Welcome to another episode of the GSatTrack How-To series. In this video, I'm going to review with you editing an asset and the process for doing so. The first step is to come up here to your Utilities panel, as always, go to Live View, choose the asset that you want to interact with. I'm going to go ahead and choose this Android phone right here. Then, click on the cog, which expands our utilities, and then here is where we can find Edit Asset. Now, by clicking on Edit Asset, we're able to interact with a host of different items that we may want to change. In the main display, we're able to change things like the name of the asset. We can also choose if there's a password, sensitivity, what icon we want to use. You can then add it to a group that you may have created. Change what users will be able to interact with this particular device. Any extra information, general information, SIM information, driver information, vehicle information, or vessel information. All of this, of course, is expandable, and by putting it in there, it only gives you more understanding of what your devices are doing. And as you add employees or someone else might take usage of this particular asset, you can go ahead and come in and change that information. Now, the settings, if you want to edit these, you can choose whether or not the device is in service, if you want to draw lines between positions and how it looks in your historical view. You can even choose to hide information. Maybe it's not as important to you as it once was. And if the device is capable of reading information around service meters, you can also change some of that here too. Now, you also have the ability to go ahead and change IOs. So if your device has sensors and pins, you're able to interact with it and change information here at any time. So maybe you decide to add these features at a later date. You're able to go in and edit them through the Edit Asset parameters. Now, you also can assign drivers to a particular device, if you'd like to do that. And this is also where you can go ahead and select alerts that you may want to apply to your devices. Maybe they're changing hands or changing drivers, and so where assets and alerts may not have applied once, now they will. Again, through Edit Asset, you'll be able to change all these parameters. You can also associate what contacts will be able to interact with this device. All of this is actually identical to Add Asset, which I'll go over in a later video and how to set up the different assets in the system. But this is a good way for you to understand how you can edit an asset in the system. Thank you very much. I look forward to our next video and seeing you soon.